Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can start a side hustle with no experience and make an extra $10,000 to $15,000 per month. No cap. And most of these become passive. That's why there's gonna be such a great list. Number 4 will blow you away, and if it doesn't, please unsubscribe. That's how confident I am in this list. You ready? Let's go. Now the first one on this list completely blew me away, and you can do basic Amazon product reviews with your smartphone and make thousands of dollars every single month. I saw this YouTuber making $15,000 a month doing this, and it's like one of the most simple things I've ever seen in my life. So I'm gonna start doing this, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and hit the bell for notifications, because I'll do a video sharing my results with you guys and how it's going for me. But basically what this is I'm gonna show you. So if we go to Amazon and put any kind of product in, so right now I'm at this product right here, you're always gonna see product images. And this is gonna be this is how you make money right here, is the videos right here. So if you see right here, you can click on the videos. This is gonna be a video that the company does. And these right here are videos that actual people have done. They have bought these and they do a product review on these. And I watch these all the time because I don't want to see what the company is saying. I want to see that someone bought this, and I want to see how they're using it and how it's working for them. And Amazon is so smart for having this set up because video reviews encourage the sale. It makes me more confident that this is what I need, so I'll go ahead and make a purchase. So they are rewarding people to make these videos, and if they do, they get a commission off the sale if that user makes a purchase after watching 30 seconds, at least 30 seconds of the videos that they post. So anything that you're gonna post, it has to be 30 seconds or more. So keep that in mind, but this is how you're making money doing this, and it's the easiest thing ever. So there are 2 ways to make money from this. One of the things that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to my past orders on my Amazon account, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually go ahead and look to see if there are any product review videos on the products that I've already purchased. If there's not, I'm going to do a video on those things. If there are videos already in there, I'm not gonna do it because the odds of them looking at my video too compared to other people's is probably gonna be, the way to probably make money with this is probably to be the only or the first video on this. So if you see that there are no videos for a specific product, that's like a gold mine. Go ahead and do a video because that's like easy passive money. You have the product, do a quick 30-second video of it, and you can get paid for it. Now, another way that I saw that a YouTuber is making the $15,000, he actually just reaches out to companies and asks them for their product for free in exchange for a review. So that's how he's been doing it, and it makes a lot of sense because I'm constantly getting emails from companies that they want me to review their products, but I just ignore those because that's not how I do my business. But seeing that you can make this much money, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at those emails now, and if they have actual video, if they don't have any video reviews, I'm gonna say yes, I'll do a product review on it because that's just easy money. So that's what you guys can do as well. So I encourage you guys to go ahead, look at the things that you already have bought from Amazon, see if they have any videos on Amazon. If they don't, go ahead and make a quick video. You have nothing to lose except to make some great extra passive income. So the way to get started with this is that you do have to be a part of the Amazon influencer program. So if we Google it right here, I can show you how it looks. So if we just put in the Amazon influencer program, and then you click on it, you can see what the requirements are to join this. And basically what they were saying when I was looking at it earlier, they do want you to be a content creator. So this is some things that you want to do. They want you can be on any platform like Instagram, Facebook, have a TikTok account, or YouTube. And if you do that, you have a following, then they're gonna accept you in the program. If they don't, I still say just apply. You never know what can happen, and then go from there. Because in Joshua's video, he gave an example. If people bought 100,000 headphones at about $480 with a 2% commission, and if just 5,000 people watched your video review and made a purchase, that would give you $11 commission per sale. And $11 times 5,000 people is $55,000. So this is definitely just worth checking out to see if this is something that you want to do. Number 2 is one that a lot of people have never ever heard of before, and it's called becoming a property preservation contractor. Now this is one way to get into real estate without having to buy or sell anything. Now the way it works is that if you look around just about any neighborhood, you're gonna notice abandoned houses that are in need of upkeep and maintenance in order to sell. Many of these houses are either foreclosed or somewhere in the foreclosure process. Banks, they don't like to manage real estate, so they outsource these services to preservation contractors to preserve the property until they can sell it. So as a contractor, you are responsible for the repair and maintenance like landscaping and things like that. You know, nothing major as far as like remodeling the house. So the best part about this is that you don't have to do any of the work. I interviewed Danielle Pierce who does this, and she outsources 100% of the work and only does admin work at home. And get this, guys, she homeschools 3 of her kids. So I know anyone can find the time to do this if she can. So I'm gonna put the interview I did with her in the description below if you guys wanna learn more about this, because I did ask her, how much could someone earn just getting started with this? And she said that it is very feasible to gross $100,000 or more in revenue within 18 months. So once again, you guys, you gotta check this one out, and I'll put the link in the description below. The next side hustle can be very passive, and it's selling printables on Etsy. Printables are great because you can make them once and can sell them over and over and over again. You can make some serious money with this because we know people that are making $8,000 a month. And you don't even need experience for this if you're gonna use Gold City Ventures, because they have these done for you printables that you can slightly change just a little bit to make it your own, and then you can publish that. So if you guys wanna get started with this is what you need to do. You first need to pick a niche that sells. So weddings, baby showers, scrapbooking, or anything related to seasonal products like Christmas, Halloween, Valentine's Day, things like that. First, you want to pick a niche that sells. Then you want to do your research. So start by going on Pinterest and Etsy to see what's already selling or popular, just to help give you some inspiration on what you could sell. So I interviewed Julie, who is earning thousands of dollars doing this, and here is an example of one of her printables. And she uses Canva and Adobe Illustrator. So if you're starting out, I recommend just doing Canva because it's free. And after you create your printable, you're gonna wanna post it to Etsy. And then put in certain keywords in the title and the listing description to make sure that it can be found by customers. So for example, Julie puts in bachelorette games in her product's description and title so that anyone searching for bachelorette games, they're gonna find her in the search results. You can also promote your products further by posting it on Pinterest or Instagram. So those are the way about selling it. And after your product is up on Etsy, you can use the data that they provide to further refine your listing, images, description, and the whole overall product to help you get sales. So they're gonna help you as well. There's a little bit more to it, but Julie, she created a course called the Gold City Ventures course to help others with this. And one of the people that I was talking about who's making $8,000 a month, she took her course. So that's why I'm always promoting it, because she's getting results. And I asked her, I told her that I was doing a video, and I asked if I could give my viewers something. So she is offering my viewers a $50 discount, and I'm gonna put that code in the description below if you guys are interested in this side hustle. Now, number 4 is gonna completely blow you guys away. And I don't know if you have been living under a rock or what, but ChatGPT is literally a huge game changer for us content creators. You can literally do anything with this tool. You can tell it anything to do. Let me show you. This is ChatGPT, and it's free to sign up, and you can literally ask it to do anything. For example, you can ask it to say, like, if I wanted to read a book but I didn't have the time, I could actually say, can you just summarize this book or tell me the key points of this book? And it would do it. Like, could put, what are the key points in the book Atomic Habits? And it will instantaneously tell me some of the main key points of this book. I mean, it is completely amazing. And all you have to do is that you have to tell it what to do or what you want, and it will give you guys the answer. I want you guys to just completely explore this after this video and just let your mind be blown on all the things that it can provide. But I want to share with you guys how you can make money from it. So just one of the ways that you guys can make money from this tool is by writing a children's book. And this is completely free to do. So when you're thinking about what children's book to have the topic on, just really think about what topic or issue parents are going through with their kids, or what would they want to read to their kids. And then you can tell ChatGPT to write it, and it will do it for you. Check this out. So you can say, like, write a book, children's book, about Timmy the bear. I'm completely making this up. About Timmy the bear getting bullied at school, but with a happy ending. So this tool is literally going to write me a children's book right now about Timmy the bear and create a whole story about this, and I can sell this story and create a book out of this, and make money. So let me show you guys how to even find images for this book completely free. Now, what I'm hearing with ChatGPT is that this is 100% like no plagiarism or anything like that. So you can take this content right here that they're writing and you can make a book out of this. So you don't have to write anymore. I mean, it's kind of crazy that we don't even have to do these things anymore. So this is all like done for you. So they have completely just wrote a book about once there was a little bear named Timmy who lived in the forest with his family, blah, blah, blah. Now, watch this, guys. This is the part that's gonna just kind of blow you away. So yes, I have a story now that I could create a children's book from. And obviously, if you wanna make it your own, add your little stuff to it. And even if you wanted to add more, you could even tell it to add more to the story. And it will look at what I'm saying, sure, here's more to the story. And they're gonna add more to the story. Like, it's ridiculous on what you can do with this tool. But also, I wanna know what Timmy looks like. What does Timmy the bear look like? Because I wanna create this image and I need it to be 100% something that I can use for my book cover and the pages so that I can, create a book. I don't have these images. I don't wanna pay for images. So this is what you guys can do. Check this out. Okay, so we're gonna go to, can you describe what Timmy the bear looks like so I can get a AI drawing created? And it's gonna actually describe what Timmy the bear looks like, so I can take this description and use this tool that I'm gonna show you right now on how to do this. So this is too cool. Okay, so it's showing me right now, it's describing Timmy the bear. And I'm gonna go ahead, now there's this website, it's called Midjourney, and it looks so crazy, but it's like in beta right now. But this is what you wanna do. So what I did is I joined it, and then I'm signed in over here already. But when you get into it, when you get in here, you're gonna have to put in your email address and confirm it. Then you can just start a new one. So you can go to, you have to join a Discord, so go to newbies or wherever you wanna go to. And then you come down here, and you're gonna do a backslash, and then you do imagine. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go ahead and copy this description right here. And then I'm going to paste that description and let it create an image for me. Now watch this, guys, this is so cool. So right now, it's gonna be creating an image for me. And you're gonna see all these different images right here, because there's so many other people in this platform right here, but this is mine right now, and it's gonna be created in a second. So it's gonna take a little minute for it to create, but it usually happens in like 60 seconds or something like that. So it's pretty fast and it's pretty cool. So we're just waiting right now. So you can see right now, they're working on the image right now, and this is too cool. So what they're doing, it's not all set up yet. It's gonna just continue to grow. This is completely AI generated. So there is no one else that has this image. This is created completely from AI. And look at these. So they have different versions of this. And the one that I like the best, I like this one right here. So if I press this right here, it's going to generate just that one for me. So I can use that image. And I'm gonna show you how I can actually even put him into an environment and use that image for my book. So I want you guys to just use this as an example and for inspiration to say to think about all the things and ways that you can use this tool. It is just completely mind blowing. Now check this out. Okay, so what we're gonna do is click on this image right here. I'm gonna right click this and then say copy image address. And then I'm going to go back in here and go scroll down right here. And then I'm gonna do backslash imagine. And then prompt, so it's gonna pop up right there. And then I'm gonna put the image ID right there. And then I'm gonna put in classroom setting. Because for my book cover, I'm thinking I can do a book cover with this bear in a classroom. That could be like a good cover for me. But I want you guys to use your imagination on all the things that you can do with this tool. And it's completely free. This is my image that I created using this AI tool. 100% my rights, or however you say that. So look at this, guys. They put those bears in this classroom setting, and I can choose whichever I want, and I can have that for my cover or however I want to do this. right click it. When I find the image I want, I can save it and use that image for my book or however I want to use that. So I have a whole tutorial on how you can actually create a book in minutes using BookBoat. So I'm going to post that video in the description below just so you can understand how this all works. And I also show you in that video how to post that to Amazon KDP, and that's how you're gonna be able to make money from this, because you share the profits with Amazon. Because they will print the book for you, ship it, handle any customer service issues for you. You just upload the creative, like the PDF. There are no upfront costs to this, and it's just another great way to make money. Now, the best ways to sell books are to take advantage of keyword research. So if it's a book about bullying, be sure to put bullying in the title, or a book to help kids with bullying or something like that. You also want to take advantage of trends. Use your own platform, have a blog, YouTube channel, social media. These are all great ways to push your own book. And you can always just create more books. The more books you create, the better you get and the more opportunities to make sales. So what do you guys think? Isn't this stuff cool? So I have a whole list of more side hustle ideas that you guys may never have even considered before in my free ebook. So I'm gonna make sure that you guys get a copy of that. So I will put that link in the description below so you can download it and discover just more ways to make money. There are no excuses not to be making money. Now, if you guys have made it this far to the end of this video, I first want to say thank you, and comment below first so I can see who actually stayed around to the end of this video. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.